The Hill State People's Democratic Party HSPDP Mawkynrew Circle on Tuesday unanimously decided to field sitting MDC of the party and veteran politician Martle N Mukhim from Mawkynrew constituency in the upcoming 2023 assembly polls. The decision was taken during the meeting, which was attended by the party leaders, workers and supporters at Lad Kharang, Jongsha in East Khasi Hills. Mukhim, who is also the former MLA, has been in active politics for over 50 years. While speaking on the occasion, Mukhim said that he is happy that the party has reposed faith to contest the upcoming assembly polls.
Executive member ke bangacong ha ke bakadon ke dur jong upa joy ha pusat jong ke chong